In 2024, the world of tech gadgets continues to evolve, offering innovative solutions to enhance our daily lives. From sleek message boards to powerful 3D printers, the latest gadgets showcase remarkable advancements in design and functionality. In this video, we'll explore 5 exceptional tech products that have caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and early adopters alike. Number 1. VestaBoard Message Board. The VestaBoard Message Board is a unique and innovative smart messaging display that combines the nostalgic charm of mechanical split-flap displays with modern technology. This beautiful alternative to digital screens features 132 customizable split-flap character slots that can display a wide range of content, including weather updates, live scores, personal messages, and more. The board is controlled via a mobile or web app, allowing users to send messages from anywhere and keep family members and friends inspired and in the loop. With its sleek and minimalistic design, the VestaBoard seamlessly integrates into any space, whether it's a large home or an open workspace. The board is designed and built to last with the highest quality materials, including aluminum, and is covered by an industry-standard 2-year warranty. Additionally, the VestaBoard offers an optional annual subscription to VestaBoard Plus, which provides access to hundreds of channels of automated content, further enhancing its versatility and functionality. Number 2. Anker AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. The Anker AnkerMake M5 is a revolutionary 3D printer that sets a new standard for speed, precision, and ease of use in the consumer 3D printing market. With its cutting-edge features and innovative design, the AnkerMake M5 is poised to redefine the 3D printing experience for hobbyists and professionals alike. At the heart of the AnkerMake M5 is its lightning-fast printing speed, capable of reaching up to 500 millimeters per second without sacrificing print quality. The printer's advanced motion system and high-quality components work together to minimize vibrations and ensure precise control of the print head, allowing it to produce smooth details down to 0.1 millimeters. The AnkerMake M5 also features a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 340 millimeters, making it capable of creating larger and more complex projects. The printer's user-friendly design and intuitive controls, including a built-in touchscreen display and a companion app, further enhance the 3D printing experience. Additionally, the AnkerMake M5's automatic bed leveling system eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, ensuring consistent and reliable prints every time. With its sturdy aluminum frame, high-quality components, and range of safety features, the AnkerMake M5 is designed to last and provide a reliable and enjoyable 3D printing experience for users of all skill levels. Number 3. Hoto Flashlight Lite. The Hoto Flashlight Lite is a remarkable LED flashlight that combines exceptional build quality, versatile functionality, and cutting-edge features. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, this compact and lightweight flashlight is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use and outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Hoto Flashlight Lite is its zoomable lens, which allows users to easily adjust the beam from a wide floodlight to a focused spotlight with a simple twist of the head. This versatility is invaluable in various scenarios, from illuminating large areas to providing long-distance visibility. The flashlight's bright LED technology delivers up to 1,000 lumens of clear and effective illumination, ensuring ample light for both indoor and outdoor use. The Hoto Flashlight Lite's USB-C rechargeable battery is a game-changer, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and offering the convenience of fast and easy recharging. The included battery provides a decent runtime, and the flashlight's multiple brightness modes allow users to conserve battery life when needed. This eco-friendly and cost-effective feature makes the Hoto Flashlight Lite a practical choice for long-term use. In terms of usability, the flashlight is designed with user comfort and safety in mind. The ergonomic grip and textured surface ensure a secure hold, even in wet or slippery conditions. The on and off switch is conveniently located and easy to operate, even in low-light situations. The Hoto Flashlight Lite also features SOS and strobe modes, making it a valuable tool for emergency preparedness and signaling. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a remarkable waterproof action camera that sets a new standard for video quality, stabilization, and overall performance. Designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, the Hero 12 Black is completely waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters without the need for separate housing. At the heart of the Hero 12 Black is its impressive 5.3K video recording capability at 60 frames per second, delivering stunning high-resolution footage with exceptional detail and clarity. The camera's 1x1.9-inch image sensor further enhances the video quality, capturing vibrant colors and excellent low-light performance. The Hero 12 Black also offers 27-megapixel photo capture, allowing users to snap high-resolution still images with ease. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its advanced HyperSmooth 5.0 video stabilization technology, which ensures smooth and stable footage even during the most intense activities. This cutting-edge stabilization system compensates for camera shake and movement, resulting in professional-grade footage that is free from jitter and unwanted motion. The Hero 12 Black's compact and durable design makes it the perfect companion for a wide range of outdoor activities. The camera's hydrophobic lens coating helps to shed water, ensuring clear and crisp footage even in wet conditions. Additionally, the Hero 12 Black offers a range of connectivity features, including live streaming capabilities and the ability to function as a webcam, further expanding its versatility. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a remarkable action camera that delivers exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, and rugged durability, making it the ideal choice for capturing the most thrilling moments of your adventures. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to capture high-quality footage on the go, the Hero 12 Black is a must-have addition to your gear. Number 5. Anker Prime 6-in-1 Charging Station. The Anker Prime 6-in-1 charging station is a versatile and powerful charging solution that combines multiple ports and outlets in a compact and sleek design. This 140-watt power strip offers a wide range of charging options, making it an ideal choice for both home and travel use. One of the standout features of the Anker Prime 6-in-1 is its ability to simultaneously charge up to 6 devices. It boasts 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports. This diverse array of charging options ensures that you can power a wide range of devices, from laptops and tablets to smartphones and other USB-powered gadgets. The USB-C ports support fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your devices without the need for multiple chargers. The Anker Prime 6-in-1 is designed with portability and convenience in mind. Its slim profile, measuring just 0.7 inches thick, makes it incredibly easy to pack in a bag or suitcase. The included 5-foot detachable extension cord adds further flexibility, allowing you to position the power strip in a convenient location without being limited by the cord length. This makes it an excellent choice for use in hotel rooms, on airplanes, or in any situation where you need to charge multiple devices simultaneously. One of the unique features of the Anker Prime 6-in-1 is its built-in display. This display provides real-time information about the charging status of each port, including individual power readings, voltage, and current details. You can easily navigate through the display options by tapping the button, and you can even turn off the display if desired. This feature helps you stay informed about your charging progress and ensures that you are using the power strip efficiently. In terms of safety, the Anker Prime 6-in-1 is designed with your protection in mind. It features a comprehensive 7-point safety system that includes temperature control, short-circuit protection, and a fire-resistant exterior. This ensures that your devices are charged safely and that you can use the power strip with confidence. Overall, the Anker Prime 6-in-1 charging station is a versatile and powerful charging solution that offers a range of features and benefits. Its compact design, multiple charging options, and built-in display make it an excellent choice for both home and travel use. These 5 tech gadgets showcase the innovation and creativity that define the world of consumer electronics in 2024. From the mesmerizing Vesta board to the powerful Anker Make M5 3D printer, the Hoto flashlight light, the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and the Anker Prime 6-in-1 charging station, each product offers unique features and benefits that cater to different needs and preferences. As technology continues to advance, These gadgets represent the cutting edge of innovation, promising to enhance our lives and experiences in the years to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates and product reviews in 2024.